sponsor said that as an impeachment court, you are not the House of Representatives cannot be considered co-equal. Dun sa mga sinasabi nyo kanina, because nga you need to comply and all that, parang pwede kong sabihin na tama na, naniniwala na kayo dun sa sinasabi ni Presiding Officer Chis Escudero na hindi na patay ang pagtingin, ang pagtrato dapat sa impeachment court, sa Senate as an impeachment court, and the House of Representatives, Congresswoman. Perhaps, Carmina, this is a more accurate way.
Oh my God, ang sarap, sarap, sarap.
And the prosecutors. Because if you will be referring to the House of Representatives as a whole, then there is a equality between the Senate and the House of Representatives. We're talking about the legislative body here. Yeah. But when we talk about the impeachment court, we're talking about the senator judges and the prosecution panel. This time, there is no equality. Hindi ito co-equal. Because they are the senator judges and we are the prosecutors. And just like in any other court, the prosecution
Apat si.
are all obliged to follow the order of the impeachment court. Nonetheless, I was very much precise in my statement during the press call, no? We're seeking the clarification of the impeachment court, and so long as the order, along with the clarification, is within the ambits of the Constitution, and the rules on impeachment and other existing laws, certainly, the following process will abide. Let me just jump off, and just to tell you, I'm going to tell that we only have a few minutes left, so let's make this quick. We still have a few more questions for you, Congresswoman. A while ago you said that it's an impossible order to comply with, speaking for the 20th Congress, but you were also quoted to have said that any withdrawal of the complaint by the House is not possible. Why are you certain about this, given your previous statement that you cannot speak for the 20th Congress, Congresswoman? Yes, and that is why we would like to seek the clarification of the impeachment court. Ano ba talagang intention nila with respect to the first order, considering that there is a JPE resolution already, with respect to the second order, considering that the 20th Congress does not exist yet, and with respect to the impeachment, to the presentation of the articles of impeachment, we would like to be clarified because it is no less than the
Oh,
rules
sarap.
of impeachment which provides for the reading of the articles. Why suddenly cancel? In other words, Carmina, we would like to be certain ano bang
Yan yung puso.
intention, ano bang position,
May guitar.
ano ba ang konteksto
Si Dato Junjun.
impeachment board when they issued this.
Ayan.
So we can properly assert
Sarap.
and maintain our position as the prosecution panel. If the Congress want to withdraw, is that still possible in the coming Congress? It is not possible anymore.
Kaming gatas. Thank you.
We have concluded already this power and function. Tapos na po ito. Reason why the
John.
impeachment case is transmitted already to the Senate.
Kain, kain. My God, ang sarap. Kain tayo, ayan. Oh, sarap. Avocado.
Eh, nakakano. Tunay, daglatas yan.
How confident are you that the position on the impeachment will not change?
Wow, sarap.
The changes that are coming your way once the 20th Congress is
Sarap pala ng avocado sa papangga to, papangga. Salamat kay pangalan nito. Shout out kay Imelda. Lisa, si Lisa. Lisa, alam mo na kung sino ka, Lisa? Maraming salamat sa avocado. Ayan, nandito. Masarap na hinog na siya. Ang sarap. Sana bigyan mo ako ulit ha. Alam ko, season ng avocado ngayon eh. Ayan, ang sarap talaga.
And what is the possible
Ayan, oh my God.
nine of those,
Sarap.
he said, what is a team prepared to do to challenge any attempt to kill
Gusto ko matamis na matamis.
complaint